Shammy, y'all. Domino here. Raining is pouring. Alright. Yep. Doing this on Facebook Live, as y'all already know. Alright. It's some bad weather today, you know. Uh-huh. What a rain. Yep. It's sad for me to say Toya got to work today. I don't know what made her get a job though. Yeah, cause in weather like this, she normally relax in her bed and stuff like that, you know. She normally relax in the bed and stuff, so now she ain't gonna do that, you know. At least not for a couple of weeks, I guess, you know. All right, so, and that's it for today, for now. All right, bye bye.